What's up guys, my name is Matt and welcome to Unbound. In this video, I'm gonna share the bittersweet ending of my Philippines trip. You'll see what I mean. So after a fabulous day snorkeling with sea turtles, I got sunburned. Yes, I did use sunscreen, but I guess I should have doubled down on it in between snorkeling sessions. Lesson learned. But what's worse was that I got a minor case of, hold on a second, mild-dude bark moth syndrome, or MdDS for short. If you don't know what that is, it's basically an imbalance or swaying sensation that occurs after exposures to motion, which in my case was the boat and wave motions. It was pretty bad. I was very dizzy and felt like I was walking on water to a point that I threw up in my hotel. And because of that, we had to give up both swimming with whale shark and canyoneering from our itinerary. That was very unfortunate. But I guess the silver lining is that we get to stay longer at our island resort, which we're going right now. Day 5. I slept in today because of the MdDS. While I was still a bit wobbly, we had to go. So we took a tuk-tuk to the ferry terminal, get on the ferry to the other side, and then took a bus to Oslo, and finally took a small boat to our destination, Bluewater Sumilon Island Resort. This little island was beautiful. For me, I feel like the best thing to do at an island resort is to relax and chill. And there are plenty of hammocks and swing chairs for you to relax on. And you can also get a massage while you're at it. There are also activities like lagoon canoeing and hiking, but my favorite is still snorkeling. The water was super clear and you can snorkel around the island in different spots. There were a surprisingly good amount of sea life around the island. We saw many variety of beautiful fish there. Unfortunately, 90% of the coral reefs are pretty much dead. That's very sad. So let's all do our part to make this earth a better place, like not stepping on the coral reefs when snorkeling. Day 6. We stayed at the island resort for as long as we could, knowing our journey here is about to end. We took the connection boat back to Oslo in the afternoon and then took a bus back to Cebu City. The bus ride back was pretty crowded and it's about 4.5 hours, but luckily we have seats and I was basically passed out. Last tip before we leave, make sure you save some money for the airport, because they charge airport terminal fees of 715 Philippine pesos per person upon leaving the country. So all in all, I really like the Philippines. The people there are genuine and kind, and the country is beautiful. So I'll definitely go back to explore other islands. So if you've been to Philippines or you're from there, please comment down below about where is your favorite spot. Maybe I can go there next time. Thanks for watching and remember, live free and be unbound.